buying the product even though we're fully aware of what they're doing to our environment. And it's the government's fault for allowing the companies to doing that. And it's the company's fault because they're already rich as they are. Why don't they find a better solution into making more eco-friendly technology? Like in what is it called? Story of electronics. It's showing the cycle, and like the companies are fully aware of what they're doing, and yet they're not stopping it.
Yeah. Yes. And I sort of disagree with you, but I sort of agree with you. I also feel like a lot of times there's a difference between buying an electronic and sending it away to Africa, to China, to India, places like that. I feel like we buy it, yes, and it has the toxins in it when we buy it, but a lot of times people think that they're sending it along to safely be recycled, and a lot of times they're being lied to, and it's actually going somewhere like a developing country.
I agree with you, Jenny, because like if they're rich, they can just buy it. Like I mean, they could just make an eco-friendly one, and they could sell it for more money, which they probably will, and then become more richer. So it'd be a win-win if you think about it. Be friendly to Earth, and then they would get more money. So I don't know why they don't do it.
I have a new question. What should we do about the e-waste problem?
What was the
14.
Well, they should start making a protest about it because there's a lot of people who are dying in China, Rwanda, and other poor states that are dying because of this cost. And people should start protesting instead of buying more electronics who are killing more kids every day.
I agree with Jerry because I mean it's a very real fact that people are dying because of e-waste, and a lot of times people don't see that part of the problem. A lot of times people just think, oh, it's infecting us, like it's getting in our lungs and stuff. What people don't actually stop to think about is that people actually die from e-waste, and so I think that that's something that we should immediately do something about.
To build on what you said about protesting, Jerry, I think the workers themselves, knowing that these electronics are dangerous, should be the ones to step up and protest. Protest. You don't want to put this in here, and if we're gonna continue working for you, it should be recycled.
Yes, to add that, there are many, like in that video about the e-waste, there are many creators of electronics who already know they're too smart to create electronics that could be thrown away easily.
I think we should.
Oh, go ahead.
Okay. I think we should tell the younger generation, like the future generation that are adults, like in this article, it's called How Kids Can Help Solve the E-Waste Problem. It's talking about how they're introducing kids into like